Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Sulekha. Today I prepare a video for you which contains some important question from MS Excel chapter, and this video definitely help you to score good marks in your coming exam. So let's start with some multiple question. First question, Excel is a dash program developed by Microsoft. Option are spreadsheet, document, data management, all of the above, and the right answer is spreadsheet program. Then the intersection of a column and row in a worksheet is called dash. Column, address, value, cell, and the right answer is cell. Next question. The total number of rows in a worksheet is, and these are the option, and the right answer is 10,48,576. Next question. In Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, rows are designed as 1, 2, 3, ABC, A1, B1, C1, or I, double I, triple I, and the right answer is 1, 2, 3. Next question. What do Excel formula starts with? Slash, F, equal, hyphen, and the right answer is equal symbol. In MS Excel the formula starts with equal symbol. Next, in MS Excel the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus S can be used to save a document, and the right answer is option B. Next question. What is the extension of a Microsoft Excel file? And the right answer is option C, .xlsx. Next question. What is the default file name of Microsoft Excel file? And the right answer is option B, that is workbook1.xlsx. Next question. Microsoft Excel is used for dash to analyze data, data entry, data management, accounting, budgeting, all of the above, and the right answer is all of the above. We can use in all the above work. The total number of columns in a worksheet: 26, 256, 12,834, 16,384, and the right answer is 16,384. Next, a cell can have maximum of dash character: 26 character, 128 character, 32,000 character, 256 character, and the right answer is 32,000 character. Next, the intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called. Option are box, cell, range, page break, and the right answer is cell. The intersection of row and column is called cell. Next question. The currently selected cell address is displayed in dash. Option are name box, formula bar, both A and B, none of the above, and the right answer is name box. The cell address is displayed in the name box. Next, under which menu we can insert picture on the sheet? Option are format, review, data, and the last one is insert, and the right answer is insert. Next, here are some short questions, and questions are: what is the use of MS Excel? Give one example of spreadsheet software. 3 number, what is the extension name of MS Excel? 4, define cell. 5 number, define spreadsheet or worksheet and workbook. Next, in MS Excel by default how many sheets are present in a workbook? Next, define row and column. 8 number, what is cell address? 9, what is the shortcut key to open a new workbook? 10. Row runs dash while column runs vertically. Next, in MS Excel, formula starts with dash symbol. 12 number, write down the steps to open MS Excel. 13. Write down the step to insert a new workbook. 14 number, write down the steps to rename a worksheet. Then 15, write down the steps to delete a worksheet. 16, write down the shortcut key to make a text bold, italic, underline. 17, describe the steps to delete data from cell. 18, what is the other name of worksheet? 19, what refers to the horizontal cell which can contain information? 20, what refers to the vertical cell which can contain information? How many cells are present in Excel? 22. To select entire column, press dash. Next question, to select the entire row, press dash. 24. Why we use chart? 25. What does a formula bar contain? 26. A2 is a dash. 27. Which box shows the address of the active cell? 28. Alphabets are assigned to dash and numbers are assigned to dash. Next come to the long question. The first question is, what is spreadsheet? Explain about the advantage and disadvantage of spreadsheet. 2 number, write down the step to insert picture in MS Excel. 3 number, write down the step to create a chart in MS Excel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.